Wait.
Don't touch the table.
Wait.
We're good.
I touched it. Maury, I touched it.
Is it filming?
Yes.
Okay.
Go.
You're late! Now explain yourself.
We were playing with Legos!
Excuse me? You're supposed to get here 30 minutes ago. What's wrong with you?
We went to Saturday school and to a Lego school.
A Lego school? What do you mean?
Legos son grandes. We want to use Legos in every classroom with teaching aids.
Legos? Kids would never learn if we have Legos in every classroom.
No. Legos are fun. Kids learn better when they are having fun.
I see, but how can you use Legos for history?
Well, I built dioramas of wars and famous events. I can even make stop-action movies to replace some more boring ones. I can use Legos in any props to make it easier for my students to remember.
I'll give you a prime example for We can use anything for counting. Counting with Legos is more fun. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division too.
How do you multiply with Legos though?
Let me explain the nubs. Using bricks of various sizes, like 4 nubs on top or 8 nubs on top, the students can calculate the total number of same-size bricks. Thus, a group of 4-sized bricks with 4 nubs would yield 16 nubs.
Legos son grandes.
Who is this dude?
This is a new Spanish teacher.
Oh, hola. Hola.
Anyway, area and perimeter. You can construct a rectangle or square, like this one. The students can use the nubs on the top of the bricks to calculate the area and perimeter of each shape they create. Median, mode, means, approximating pi. I could go on and on.
I'm going to have my students pick every standard of Legos. They can see where the capitals are with the little dots. They can build something directs in each state, like cheese from Wisconsin. Just think of all the white Legos you'll need for the snowy states.
Okay, I see where you're going, but what about science?
Well, the teachers at Granville Middle School already use Legos to teach rates of decay, like for radioactivity. I can use it in several areas for science. Legos are excellent for making models of almost anything.
There are so many applications for math and science using Lego robots.
The internet is full of them.
But aren't we going to be forever sorting Legos? They always get mixed together. We're here to educate, not to be picking up Legos and sorting them.
Well, that's the beauty of it. Unfortunately, we have lots of kids in our school that get in trouble. Sorting Legos might not seem so harsh, but it will be boring and tedious. I'm sure they'll get sick of it soon enough.
They'd better shape up or else they'll forever be sorting with Legos instead of building.
In gym class, I make the kids run suicides. You know, a quarter of the way and back, then half the way and back, then 3/4 of the way and back, then all the way. I will put them in teams, and then I'll put different Legos on each point. When they are done, each team can build whatever I intended on that day. I think they will like it more. I know I will.
So I see kids learn better if they have fun while they do it. Do you know any kids who don't like Legos?
Well, no I don't. Where did you learn all this?
De la internet.
Where?
Well, Edudemic, Lego Education, Dr. Austin, Mrs. Stewart, Mrs. Kirkland, Mr. O'Brien, and Dr. Ferguson.
Have you shared this with anyone yet?
Well, we shared it with Edudemic, Lego Education, Dr. Austin, Mrs. Storp, Mrs. Kirkland, Mr. O'Brien, Dr. Ferguson, our parents, and a WordPress webpage that we sent to everybody called orangelegobatman.wordpress.com.
You can speak English?
Yes, I can.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
What's your mind? Thanks for sitting in.
Oh, thanks for sitting in, everybody. You may go.